Hello, friends, and welcome to your guided meditation, the mountain of strength and serenity. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting with your spine gently upright or lying down with your body fully supported. Allow your hands to rest softly, palms open in a gesture of receiving. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment, and then release it gently through your mouth. Let's do that again. Breathing in peace, holding for a beat, and exhaling tension. With each breath, feel your body begin to soften. The muscles in your face relax. Your shoulders drop. Your chest feels open. Even your hands and feet become warm and heavy, resting deeply. Your breath is your anchor. Notice its rhythm, steady, natural, effortless. With each inhale, imagine you are breathing in calm. With each exhale, imagine you are releasing every weight you've been carrying. Now, in your mind's eye, imagine yourself standing at the base of a vast, majestic mountain. Its peak rises so high that it touches the clouds, kissed by soft golden light. The mountain is timeless, ancient, and unshakable. Around you, the air is cool and fresh, carrying the scent of pine, moss, and earth. You hear the quiet rustle of the trees as the wind dances through their branches. A bird calls in the distance, its song carried far and wide. In front of you, a winding path beckons, an invitation to journey inward, to discover strength and serenity waiting within. You take a deep breath, feeling a sense of readiness and reverence. Place your first foot upon the path. The ground beneath you feels solid, grounding, dependable, like the mountain itself. As you walk, you notice the details around you. The rich texture of bark on ancient trees. The vibrant green of ferns at your feet. The way sunlight filters through the canopy, scattering golden beams across your path. With every step, your connection deepens. The mountain seems to whisper its wisdom to you, quiet, steady, enduring. Each inhale fills your lungs with crisp clarity. And with every exhale, you feel lighter, freer. Your chest expands with vitality. Your spirit lifts. Step by step, you feel yourself aligning with the strength of the mountain. At last, the trees open and you step into a wide clearing. Here, the view is breathtaking. Below you stretches an endless valley. Rolling hills painted in green and gold. Rivers sparkling like ribbons of light. And villages nestled in gentle embrace. You find a large, flat stone and sit upon it. Feel its firmness beneath you, steady and supportive. The mountain itself is holding you, cradling you in its ancient strength. A breeze brushes softly against your skin. You hear leaves rustling. And somewhere nearby, a stream trickles down the mountain. carrying with it the music of serenity. You are safe here. You are whole here. This is your sanctuary, your place of renewal. Close your inner eyes even more deeply. Feel yourself merging with the mountain. With every inhale, imagine drawing in its unshakable strength. See it as light, as energy, flowing up through the stone beneath you, filling your body from the ground up. It fills your legs, your torso, your arms, your mind. You become steady, rooted, resilient. With every exhale, release what no longer serves you: doubt, tension, fear, old burdens. Imagine them leaving your body like mist dissolving into the sky. Stay here, breathing with the mountain. Feel your heart opening to its serenity. Your mind grows quiet, like still air at dawn. Your body feels grounded, yet light. Repeat this softly to yourself. I am strong. I am steady. I am serene. Like the mountain, I am rooted and free. Remain in this state of connection for a few moments, absorbing all the gifts the mountain offers you. Notice how strength and serenity coexist within you, firm yet gentle, powerful yet calm. When you feel ready, slowly rise from the stone. And turn back toward the path that will guide you home. As you begin your descent, notice how different everything feels. The trees appear more vibrant. They're green alive with energy. The air feels even fresher, as if it is blessing you with renewal. Your steps feel lighter and more assured. You carry with you the gifts of the mountain, the strength that cannot be shaken, and the serenity that cannot be stolen. Every step downward is a step inward, anchoring these qualities deep within your being. Now, bring your awareness gently back to your breath. Inhale deeply, feeling gratitude for the mountain, for yourself, for this journey. Exhale fully, grounding in the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes softly. Notice the surface beneath you, supporting you now, just as the mountain did in your vision. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry with you the knowing that the mountain lives within you always. Whenever you need strength, whenever you need serenity, you can return here. You are steady. You are strong. You are serene. If this message has resonated with you, take a moment to rest in the feelings it has stirred. You're welcome to share your reflections in the comments and gently connect with others on this path of healing. And if this meditation has touched you, you're warmly invited to like, share, or subscribe. Someone you know may need this calm and guidance today. You're also welcome to explore my other channels where we journey through affirmations, personal growth, signs of the universe, and spiritual awakening and witchcraft practices. Links are on the main channel description page. And if this session has brought a moment of peace or inspiration, there's a small donation link in the main channel description to support the work, but simply being here, breathing, and sharing this space is already a gift. Thank you for walking this path with me.